What happened if we make a dung beetle the size of a cat? How much weight it lift? A cat-sized dung beetle would have to lift thousands of times its weight, proportionally, which would be a staggering amount of weight. While a typical dung beetle can pull over 1,000 times its body weight, a cat-sized dung beetle would need to lift a proportional amount of weight to maintain the same relative strength. This would likely be tens of thousands of kilograms, and because its body would be much larger, its own muscles and exoskeleton would struggle to support such a weight, leading to the beetle being crushed under its own mass. Dung beetle strength. Dung beetles are exceptionally strong for their size. National Geographic Kids states that some species can pull more than 1,100 times their body weight. This strength would scale with its size. If you scale a dung beetle to the size of a cat, it would proportionally lift thousands of times its new body weight. The problem of size and proportion. Scaling up doesn't work for insects. Insects rely on their small size for their relative strength. A cat is a large animal, and scaling a dung beetle to that size would require a massive increase in muscle and exoskeleton strength. Weight and strength are not proportionate. A larger beetle would need to support its own greatly increased weight, which would be incredibly difficult for its exoskeleton and muscles. Dung beetles would likely be crushed by their own weight. A beetle the size of a cat would not be able to function because its body would be unable to support itself. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe and comment beetle power.